Hi everyone, this is Akash. I've created a small short presentation which will last about 8 to 9 minutes covering responses to the challenges given by the Sunit solution. There are two challenges. Starting with the first one, it's about in a situation where I need to create an appropriate strategy to recover a customer who's planning to turn off a service after a bad experience. To handle the situation, I'll approach a client in this format. I'll first understand the customer's perspective and what is the current challenge that he's facing. I'll work with my team, create my findings for the current situation and create my hypothesis. Discuss this with my client and how this will affect his organization over time. Followed by together we can create a solution which works best for the client and make sure to reflect upon it for continuous improvement. To provide some recommendation for customer engagement is first we need to understand how and we need to recognize how the survey is designed and we need to redesign it according to the standards. We need to identify the best way to send across a survey, whether an SMS or maybe via phone or social media might be helpful, or maybe sometimes even over a counter. With profiling, we can also pre-fill some survey data and then which might assist the customer itself. We have found incenting customers for completing a survey have showed outstanding results in survey completion ratio. We can remap and redesign customer journey to understand and improve customer engagement. We can update our questions according to business needs as well as according to a target market, which can help us improve our sales. To measure such situation, we can do A/B testing, understand which surveys works the best. We can observe the number of clicks done by a customer. We can also generate an heat maps to understand where the problem lies. We can analyze response over time for a target audience, see how the trend has changed of completion ratios of our surveys. The challenge 2 is about a situation where an organization has successfully run a SaaS product pilot program and now they want us to run or pitch the product to the key stakeholders. Dealing with the data can be hard as it is growing at tremendous rate as data is generated every single minute in terabytes. And dealing with data in life is complicated as we could not spend more time in resolving and hiring new employees to generate insight of your own organization. What if we tell you it can be done by your own current employees? As if you provide all your employees with their data access that they deserve. With Power BI, you can do that. With currently over 100,000 companies using Power BI and millions of active users across 100 countries, with about 500 different partners in the ecosystem. We know you have some concerns. We have divided those concerns into 4 main groups: ease of use, share and collaboration, governance and security, and premium services. Power BI, you won't have to depend upon graphic designer to create amazing visualizations. You can just use drag and drop services to create amazing visualizations. With built-in graphic libraries and built-in apps, you can create your own graphs and designs the way you want it. With easy to share, you can share with your teammates as you go, and this will definitely help you create a high efficiency and high level decision making in your organization. With sharing and collaboration features, no more departments are separate. You can share across department with native app integration such as Salesforce, SAP Business Objects, Google Analytics, GitHub, and Adobe, and many more. You can connect to these data sets straight away. You can share your data however you want. This will give you your organization's 360-degree view and real time. With mobile apps, you can share and collaborate with your colleagues straight away, and you can receive message alerts on your important changes in your data. Talking about data security, we make sure that it's always in the right hands. With flexible access, you can add and remove access the way you want it. This will give you complete control over your data aspect of your organization. That strikes a careful balance between security and collaboration. Power BI has already considered a data governance strategy for you, which can be customized according to your requirement. There are some premium features such as dedicated server capacity. You can put limit to eliminate the Power BI versions, so that is you are always up to date with the latest one. You can share your graphs with non-licensed users, and you can choose where you want to keep, whether it's on a cloud or on a hybrid system. Sounds good? Let's get started then. You must be thinking about how much will it cost, or what about implementation? What about security? Well, we got it covered too. Desktop BI comes for free, whereas Power BI comes only for $9.99. You might be thinking of Tableau and Qlik, which covers about $35 to $25 per user, which is way expensive than Power BI. We got 3 different packages such as Premium 1, 2, and 3 according to your requirement. ROI initial cost won't be so fast, but it takes time. But definitely you can save on hiring expensive, highly trained employees using highly complicated analytical software. And now you have all these capabilities in your organization with your current employees itself. With familiar presentation from Microsoft products, just like Excel spreadsheet, even the Power BI has similar UI interface. You can publish your dashboards with a click. Talking about security concerns, Power BI uses Azure, one of the safest and stable platform, using various SSL layers with back-end, front-end clusters. This comes with full mobile app compatibility and security. With flexible permissions, you prevent access of data on the mobile devices. Thanks. Hope you find this useful. Have a great day.